Yo, what's up? It's your boy X-Treme X Carl here, and welcome back for another review, my boys. This time, my boys, I am going to show you my chef's knife collection. I'm making a course as a chef, and I bought some knives and a pouch. And you know what? They are all Victorinox, my boys. So that's fucking dope. I have a whole collection of Victorinox now. So yeah, I'm going to show you my chef's knife collection. So yeah, my boys, this is the collection, my collection of the Victorinox chef's knife collection, my boys. As you can see down here, this is the pocket that I bought with the knives. It says Victorinox. This you can put a whole bunch of fucking knives, my boys. I'm going to buy the whole set next week. The remaining knives. So here we have the chef's knife, my boys. It's like 28 centimeters, between 28 and 30 centimeters. As you can see my face here. It's Victorinox and the camera woman's face, my daughter that is filming this video, my boys. So we are both filming this video. So yeah, it says Victorinox, as you can see here. And I'm going to engrave them, my boys, with my initials next week too. So yeah, this is the chef's knife. So now we are getting the office knife. As you can see, this is the office knife. And they call them the office knife because long time ago they used to open envelopes with them. So yeah, here you can, as you can see, it says Victorinox too, my boys. My boys, I have a whole fucking collection of Victorinox knives, my boys. This is the Victorinox office knife. This, my boys, is the Victorinox 2 fast peeler, my boys. It's a fast peeler, as you can see. You can grab it like that and you can peel fast whatever you are going to peel. So yeah, this is the Victorinox, the fast peeler. And now, my boys, I'm going with this. Here's the Victorinox diamond sharpening knife tool, my boys. So yeah, as you can see, here I'm holding it fucking upside down. Yeah, here as you can see it says Victorinox. So yeah, this is the diamond steel, my boys, so you can sharpen your knives. Yeah, so now I'm going to show you the pouch, my boys. As you can see, 1 minute, I'm trying to fucking focus. So yeah, now it's focused, my boys. So now I'm going to show you this pocket, my boys. This pocket that I bought. It will open, my boys. It will open like this. Look how many fucking knives. This is like 100 euros just for the fucking pocket, huh? But it's fucking dope, my boys. You can open them and take them how you want, my boys. So yeah, we are going to put the chef's knife here, my boys. The first thing that we are going to put, I'm sorry, my boys, we're going to open it like this. Here, I'm going to put the chef's knife. Right here. this is going to be my chef's knife, my boys. So yeah, this is my chef's knife. Right here. I don't know if I have to, I will remove it from the pouch, my boys. No, I will leave it. I take care of my knives, my boys. So yeah, this is chef's knife. Yeah, better. Sorry, man. Ah, I realize it now, my boys. I just saw it now. My boys. Even on the handle, my boys. It's engraved Victorinox. So that's fucking dope. So yeah, my boys. So now, my boys, we are going to put first the diamond sharpen knife thing. We are going to put this first. We are going to put this first and make it tight, my boys, because you can make it tight how much you want. Then we are going to put our chef's knife, my boys. Our chef's knife. Like this. I'm going to leave them in the pouch, my boys. I'm not going to remove them from the pouch. Then I am going to do, my boys, I am going the office knife. That is this one. And the peeler. I am going to throw them back here, my boys. So yeah, I'm going to throw them here. So this is the office knife. This is something. So this is the office knife. As you can see here. This is the office knife. And the fast peeler, we are going to put it right there. So this for now is my collection. I'm going to increase this collection, my boys. Next week we are going to buy, as I told you earlier, the fillet knife, the bone knife, and 2 other knives. I'm not sure, my boys, for now. So yeah, and this, we are going to close it like this. Like this. And like this. And look at that, my boys. Look at that. How it can, you, oh boy. So here you have the pocket knife, yeah, that is carrying right now 3 types of knife: the chef's knife, the office knife, and the fast peeler. It's your boy X-Treme. I'm out. Bye!